About to take the car to go get tuned. Second run out on the street.
I'm ready.
Drove fine the first time.
Transmission fluid, oil, coolant. Just trying not to hit boost. Just trying not to. Just keep your eye on the settings for the low, throttle. Okay. Alright. Feels nice driving my baby after a month. That's my temporary car, the Mazda.
Yeah, the G-Ride.
Sucks not boosting, but it just feels like right now, honestly, it feels like I'm driving the NA car right now. I can't even like tell it's boosted right now. It drives just how it does when it's NA, like it was NA when I'm not boosted. So, I don't want to boost it, but I don't want this video to turn out to be one of those videos where guy's taking a video, tries to boost and blows up his car. rich Indian kid.
We're gonna race you later. Give us 2 hours. Oh, I have the bow valve. Yeah.
Hear it?
Yeah. Woo! It sounds fucking
It's
sick.
like so like quiet when you can hear it.
You wanna do it again?
Not really.
Oh man, I was gonna put the phone out the window.
We'll wait 20 minutes.
I was gonna put the phone out the window. Hey. Bye bye.